Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Asus Tuf A16 upgrade option. This is the laptop. What are the option upgraded? I'm going to show you now. This is the battery of the model Asus Tuf A16 gaming laptop. AMD processor laptop, this one. Have a look. What are the upgrade option in this machine? Here you can see first M.2 NVMe slot, and this one is the second M.2 NVMe slot. It's a 2280 size, and here you can see two memory slot. Comes with the DDR5 5600, two memory slot. So two M.2 NVMe and two memory slot. Here you can see the fan and processor and heat sink. This is the build quality of motherboard of Asus Tuf A16 gaming laptop with AMD processor. Here you can see 16GB DDR5 5600 memory. We are going to upgrade in this one. So 16GB already built in. So one more 16GB we are going to add. So 16 plus 16, total 32GB. So two memory slot we have used in this one. So one M.2 NVMe slot. So second, it's empty now. If you need, you can upgrade in this one. So these are the upgrade option of this unit. Just only brief look. I'm not going to explain any technical details in this video. Total 12 screws you need to open and then upgrade in this model. Here you can see the specification. 1TB M.2 NVMe this model and 6GB graphic card, Rtx4050 graphic card, and 32GB you can see, and processor you can see AMD Ryzen 7 processor. So 1TB and 32GB memory. Please like the video.